Last week, we made these bars of solid sugar scrub. Now, this is purely a sugar scrub bar, but it looks like a bar of soap, and that's because it's blended with natural, handmade soap to allow it to keep a solid texture and to give you a bit of lather when you use it. These are available now at Thermal Mermaid, but for the same price of one bar, you can also get access to the recipe and a full step-by-step tutorial, and then you can make as many of these as you want, and you can even sell them as your own for Christmas. Access to the recipe can be found at cottagediy.com, and the bars themselves can be found at thermalmermaid.com. Don't forget to check in with us on Tuesday night at 10 o'clock when we go live, and this coming Halloween night we'll be making a version of this in brown sugar and pumpkin, and the recipe is given out free on our Tuesday night lives. As you can see here, the sugar scrub pieces are soft and pliable, and you can mold them into a washcloth for a great exfoliant. Make sure to like and follow. I'm about to post more of these.